man shot and I'm sorry.
Zirtirtu le angai thatu zong te in zawain chibai ka buk chewa du sang sang ber ka hlan buk chewani ole kan riat thewangin September ni som sang ni som ni panga a chalikak thina chuan khovel puma Christian terilru afan chuak ne hlea Christian terilru ana a chuti rol chuan then khatero chuan chalikak rong bolna chunjom zel ni theinan abikin thalai te a chonana satak ape bok kan riat thewangin chalikak khi conservative activist ania kumlama po lo palo tak ni ma se thu soi athiamin mi ne thei tak po ania thu khu tri tet nei lo frang taka thil ni dan soi mai thin ani bok chalikak rong bolna hi US President Donald Trump hian a support ema full support pe ni te po ti la kan ti sual wang conservative activist ani na ngin arong bolna le atuina zong tak ania politics at hian atui ema aril ru zong zonga tui chil khopa beimi ania apa tuina lam architectro atui chil puilo hle thunga apa achuno hle ani turning point TPUSA conservative student chu kumsang ni sompani khan din ania chalikak po hi adin tu te jinga telve in executive director ani hialani nget taka bible zirtirna pomtlat tu ania Christian sa kwadik tak ani bok maga anti thin Donald Trump awla make America great again ti te hi a support ema hemi ko apo hian Donald Trump tan a tholok bok ani chalika khian lesbian LGBTQ nei in angte homosexual transgender te hi a ho maya bible in aphal lo zia suin nei in ang in kopte chu ti hlum tur ti Leviticus injek chu apom het mai ni pafrang takani kan ti toka sikul sang sanga program nein zirlai te zona achang thina debate kan ti ang chi in hial fiam na te po ani pui thin angai dan le mudan soipong mi ani vewang hian ama ai lo tu ho tu te po alo nei ani nge yang September ni som sang ni som ni panga alo thenga Utah Valley University a zona chanlai takin chalikak chu angonga tak mai Taylor Robinson kumsom ni pani mi chuan akap ta sia maile America aro pui zuazel theinana theitop chuatu chalikak chuan anunna achanta maga America great again chomnunga choinung tatu America ta na milhuem chalikak chu kumsom thum pakhat mi ni in athita a conservative tak mai political activist mi frang tak mai America ram ta na thalo turle pathian du lo zong ni a hriat chu na takado dal thin nom chen na chi sang sang thalo tak tele hursual na sang na takado dal thin mi chu America chuan achanta a America tan chuan chan na satak ani nge yang ole tuna chuan zirtirtu tam tak ban le hreman ni chalikak thina wangin ti thupui manga Gilbert Ralte ina azia ngai nom tak mai hi kan ngai thla anga hei mai ba ka hian Nupui chanchin azia teng te po kan ngai thlabok don ni tuna ilongai thla ang chalikak thina chungchang kan ziak na satowa hei ba ki chu kan ron ziak to ri lowang atia chalikak thina wangin zirtirtu tam tak ban le Hrem USA anime kani hei hi achan chu chalikak thina chu anlo celebrate na satlom wangani atia chalikak athi hian Muslim tan anoksak ani erinoma abikin Muslim te peichu anlom ema mitam takin an celebrate ni mitam takin chalikak athi wang hian Muslim mitam takchu lomin an aw hial ni om takani USA hian zirtirtu professor etc tamjok te hi liberal le leftist support to Democrat Party supporter ania heng ho hian USA no pang te chu transgender lesbian homosexual Muslim etc engkim mai chu apoilo ti zongin anzirti thin heng te tak khi chalika khian adona sem thina angai dan ni lo chu frang takin na takin asoi me thina heng te wang hian Muslim ho chuan an ho ni in alang tlat bokani.
What is a woman?
I think a woman is somebody who identifies as a woman.
Got it. So that's not a definition. That's like saying a table is something that identifies as a table. Give me an objective definition of what a woman is.
If I decided right now that I wanted to identify as a woman, I would be a woman.
Okay, but that doesn't answer the question.
I know, but right now I'm a man, right? So if that happened right now, I'd be a woman.
What that thing is.
Once a person makes the decision to identify as a woman,
got it. No,
they're a woman.
That's a separate issue. What is a woman?
That's the definition.
No, I know, but you have to tell me.
A person who identifies themselves as a woman.
But you have how do you know that they are that thing?
How do I don't need to know what they are. I can ask them if I want to know.
But there needs to be, you need to tell me what that thing is, though.
Somebody who...
Okay,
so we're not getting anywhere. We're not getting anywhere.
No, it's important because it's like saying a giraffe is a thing that looks like a giraffe, or a coyote is a thing that looks like a coyote. It's called circular reasoning. You have to give me a actual definition.
I don't have to... I did give you a definition.
No, you said that a woman is something that thinks they're a woman. That doesn't give me a definition.
Video akuan no pang class 5 zilai chu transgender chungchang chu a classmate te Zirtirtu rin antia itaksa ania transgender ni hi apoilo tizongin ma se Christian family ania andulo wangin mo sina chi sang atok na sa hle ani in alang ani Mizoram lesson atita a Mizoram ina kan zir chuatur ni ngai turani ingai thaang kan school college Zirtirtu ate tuai gay etc te kan promote lo le teacher kan lak lo hi tuai gay etc te kan promote lo le teacher kan lak lo hi alo poi modon khop mai school hi no pangten engkim anzirna anisia hei takhi chalikak chuan school college university a kalchilin Christian value le leftist horin dan diklozia azuk shil te china hei hi leftist liberal Democrat Party worker te chuan an hota em mai ani.
Thank you again, Mr. President. Hi, I'm Shane Cetus. I've been a Christian my whole life, and Jesus means everything to me. When I was in 5th grade, my school forced me to teach my kindergarten buddy about changing his gender using a book called My Shadow is Pink. The book said you can choose your gender based on feelings instead of how God made us. I knew this was not right, but I was afraid of getting in trouble. After my family spoke up, the school treated us badly, and kids started bullying me and my brother because of our faith. And the school did nothing to stop it. It hurt a lot, but I kept trusting God. I believe kids like me should be able to live our faith at school without being forced to go against what we believe. I hope no other family has to go through what mine did. Thank you.
Ole helai hian han soi velok kadua chalika khi Christian sa khowan tu ngetak mai ania Bible ring em mai mi ania chungte wang chuan leftist antia ani hi Democrat Party USA hian party pani an oma Democracy Party le Republican Party te ania Democracy Party Democrats anti teng te hi an liberal em maya om zia chuan engpo mai hian pom vek mai ni meichia in kopte mipa le mipa in kopte mong ko hurte katiang thleng khan an pom em fek mai ania chuti rol ro chuan Bible pathian du lo zong ani ti shein Republican Party te hi chuan khatiang kha an du lawa an dowa abortion nau ti tlak te thlengin tiang khan an do fek ani ale lama Democrats Party te chuan nau ti tlak teng te po hi an pom em fek mai nia chuti ang chu ania chuwang chuan charika kian thanem ngai takin Democrats Party te thilpom hi athat lo zia hi sikul sang akalin ashil kol thina nia chungte wang chuan Democrats Party te hian an hoem em mai ni ole tuna chuan ilongai thlak chun zomang chu wangin USA Free Palestine protest siamna mun tam ber chu Cambridge University Columbia University etc anita noi mai heng ho hian Muslim lam an tran ta fu mai ani USA hian student te chu an Zirtirtu ten an brainwash na satal tuk ti re nan chalika khian program ro pui tak aron siam ta ani atopa phei chuan athi pha ta hiya lani liberal lefty so hi Muslim hoin ron mangchang kain Muslim Brotherhood tongkam ron mu chua Islamophobia mangin Muslim soisel na reng chu Islamophobia anti sakzela Muslim ho chu soisel phallo sa khuwa alo ni chho ta zel ani chu chuan Muslim illegal migrant tam tak Europe le North America lu te po soisel thiang lo sa khuwa ro pui big mi te an ni ta zela voinia chuan Europe ram chu Muslim ram alo ni chho ti tamai ani USA po senator Muslim engemozat an lo nei ta zela Texas po Muslim khopui bik te siam an lo tum ta zel ani Muslim ho hian liberal leftist black people te mangin rule kwa an zena sumle pai mamo chu Muslim Brotherhood organization le billionaire Soros NGO mangin an funding ta thinani ole khati zong khania adot le tan chuan Miss Arizona po lo ni to chalikak nupui chu ti ania hei hi ilongai thale tiang Erika kak chalikak nupui hi kumsang ni sompani khan Miss Arizona USA po lo ni to ani America rampum pui USA Miss thana po Arizona state ayo in alotel ve to ani Catholic chungku atanga ronselian ania Liberty University atangin master degree nei ania tuna hian Liberty University Bible study postgraduate degree azirme kani apasal thilai zong hian Catholic ten anwon reng thin rosary chu akuta achel reng ani war kan soitong khan Europe Canada USA etc hian leftist terin le right wing lam terin na ain sul na sa maya leftist hi chuan gay transgender Muslim etc tenen chen ho dial andu ani hei hi Muslim ten remchanga la in Europa te Muslim ho an lut hum mai ani Belgium te ku Muslim ho pemkhom population ku 75% dai ani towa Christian te chu antlem dai izok towa pemkhom Muslimin ro an rel to zokani chu wangania Muslim puithiam ten kumjasari tharum mangin Europe ne kantuma kan ne theilowa tuna chuan kan theita anti ani September ni som pathum hian Londona Christian howin kongza ro puithiang ber an nei don bokani hei hi Tommy Robinson hoi hotani Muslim ho kuta UK British ram tumek andulo na kongzo ani donani tuna British rama rorel mek te hi leftist ho anya an home minister po Muslim Pakistan mi dai ani heti lai hian Ireland Christian ram po Muslim ho an pem khom na satol tuka kong an zole mup thin tuna an prime minister nilai mek chuan Ireland for Irish ti tolo tur boina chuak zel atia hei hi Muslim ho ti lom an tum na vek nia soi ani tuna hian UFC champion lo ni to Conor McGregor chu president aron chu vedona ani hi chuan Christian ram kan ni reng turani ati thungani heti lai hian Free Palestine movement te kan muanga hengzong hi leftist ho gatar Muslim Brotherhood ho summanga organize vek ani hengzong hi Mr. Trump te Elon Musk te chalikak te hian an muchiang ema chalikak thatu po hi social media leftist propaganda wanga chalikak hi lo hota mania soi ani heng BBC CNN etc mainstream media zong deu tho khovelar hi chu leftist hoin uncontrol veka chu wangania Elon Musk an Twitter 44 billions mangin freedom of speech kalei ati kha tuna chuan mizote point Muslim ho propaganda kan lo muzinga Free Palestine Muslim lo tran ve te po kan tamta mai ani ole khati zong khania ato bernatan chuan President Truman chalikak awizia thu sei hi kathiamang angin karon jek choka chu ilongai thalok te ang President Trump chuan America chuan hun thim atongta chalikak hian kanram chunga in hian na thiang hlim debate nein afangkwal thina ama ngai sanga ngai na tu telompo a hlo hle thin America tana mi hlutak ania ama tha hial du tu hian Charlie chaunilo America rampum hi adowa silai mu manga ngoi botir tum tu hian angoi hlen tir don lowa asul nule heram tana athu cha zong te kha thang tharlo omzel turten an hriat ring theinan kan bezel donani atiani ole khati zong khania thirtu le ngai thatu zong ten khongai takin comment section lama chalikak boral chungchanga kan mudan le kan ngai dan te milo talan sakle clear tur chewin in khongai na karon nge ne like comment share te tin hei subscriber po heti mai hi kalania in mi tran puina tel lo chuan subscriber po hi kanai theidon lowani chuwangin mila subscribe lo te po ina milo subscribe zel tur chewin in khongai na karon ngen tak mewani